We live on the most beautiful planet Earth. On Earth, the forests are the best habitats for different species of flora and fauna. Every organism depends on forest for its survival. Yes, forests are the best places for different natural resources. An adequate forest ensures sustainable and safe environment. Tribal people are the one who take care of forests. Since they treat themselves, they are the part and parcel of forests. Tribals start their morning with working for nature. They raise goats and cows for meat and milk production. Tribal people make their fields ready for Podu farming. Podu farming is a traditional system of cultivation used mainly by tribals. Podu is a Telugu language term often called as shifting cultivation. It was practiced in hill slopes. Tribals cut the bushes while taking pineapples from plants. If not, there may be chances for snake bite. They have to travel long distances to get their pineapple yield as their farming areas are far away from their houses. Generally, tribals of Srikakulam district in Andhra Pradesh grow the pineapples, which were delicious and healthy tropical fruits. Tribals get benefits from this pineapple by exporting to other states of India.
అడిగి ఉండిపోతాయా
మ్మ్.
దొంగలు కొట్టి చేసామో మన వెయ్యాలు చేసుకుంటే కూరలు జొన్నలు కాండలు మరి తర్వాత జీడి మళ్ళీ జీడి లేకపోతే మరి ఏదో తినాలి దేశం మీద ఒక రెండు మూడు గుడ్లు అంటే ఈ పైనాపిల్ తర్వాత తేగలు దుంపులు వేసుకోవడము అన్ని రాబడి మీద ఇదే కొంత రాబడి వస్తుంది.
Tribal people always feared about the elephants because elephants come from the border of Orissa to eat pineapples. But the tribals know that elephants also have right to survive in forest. So they leave some fruit for them. Rosary plantation is done in some parts of the hills, but not for sale, but for their food. This red stem variety are more sour in taste and have healthy benefits. Cashew nut and jackfruit crops are another major economical source for tribal people. The tropical evergreen trees produce cashew nut seeds that have multi uses in different recipes. And often, jackfruits are also exported to various states of India and sold for good price in local market. Thysolena latifolia is a genus of plants that belongs to the grass family, often called as broom grass, which was perennial that grows up to 2 meters tall, forming large clumps. These sticks or these broom grass were dried for few days. After that, with the help of jute fiber, the broom grass are tied into bundle to make beautiful broomsticks. Making broomsticks by wrapping the jute fiber is an artistic aspect that only some people can gain by perfect practice. These broomsticks were sold for 30 rupees each to the shopkeepers locally. Tribals depend upon tamarind trees for the production of tamarind. Since tamarind is an annual crop, its demand is more in the market Especially the tamarind that grown in forest are having good price. This helps the tribal people economically. People in the villages share the crop equally and participate in the deshelling of tamarind and seed removal from the pods. After removing seeds, they are dried for 2 to 3 days. This makes the tamarind not to go bad even after 1 or 2 years. Now the tamarinds are ready with sweet and tart taste. Turmeric is an important crop that grown to produce turmeric powder in the hills as Podu farming. This also brings good prices to the tribals. The Asha workers in the hills will take care of the health of the tribal people. They travel along hills and far distances to reach the villages. They give vaccination to infants and conduct health programs that bring awareness among the people about the cleanliness and hygiene. People in village actively participate in vaccination program. They know that children are their future. Sudden forest fires bring the tribals grief. Their plantation may burn and leave them ash. At that time, they are helpless. But whatever nature gives them, they take it. They obey the rule of nature. They collect and make the use of unburned sticks for their cooking and keep the remaining sticks as bundle for future needs. Even after great loss also, the tribal people won't lose hope. They go for again plantation. And they know that the hurdles from the nature can be solved by educating their children. Educating children about forests and their importance is mandatory because today's sown plant gives shade and shelter to various life forms tomorrow. As a tribal, I believe that nature always teaches something new to me. That's why nature is my teacher.